Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a TikTok video to your TikTok story. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Open it up. Now, if you want to share a video from your homepage right here, for example, okay, you can go ahead and do so by just going to the right panel right here. As you can see, we have like, comment, save, a dislike, and share. Just tap on share. And as you can see here at the very bottom, we have the add to story option. Just tap on it. Now it says here loading. Just wait for it to finish. All right. Once that's done, as you can see here, the video is ready to add your story. You just got to tap on add to story like so. If you want to, you can go ahead and edit it. If not, just leave it as is. Now, when we go ahead over to our profile right here at the bottom right, refresh the page. Okay, as you can see here, it now got a blue highlight circling our profile. That means that we successfully shared the story. Okay, you can go ahead and share your own post right here to your story by just tapping on a post like so. Tap on the three dots right here. Now add to story. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.